everybody, welcome back to Bath Unboxes. You're going to want to watch this one. We've got a brand new subscription box for my channel, which is the Vellabox candle subscription. We're going to also look through my Bath Bevy mystery sale haul, and I'm going to tell you how to get in on the next one. Vellabox is a candle subscription company. They have different size candles, so you can customize your subscription based on the size of a candle, which adjusts the cost. They have a questionnaire you can fill out when you subscribe that asks you your scent preferences, how you like to use your candles, where in your house you like to use your candles. It will help customize your experience and make sure you get candles that you like. If you don't like it, they do have a satisfaction guarantee, so you can always return the one you get if you don't like it. This is going to be a fun one. Let's open it up and see what we got. This is what it looks like inside. How pretty. And it has a little card that tells you about the Vellabox experience. It says welcome to Vellabox, and it tells you how to burn your candle. You might not realize that there are tips on how to burn a candle. It's more than just lighting the wick. You should always allow your candle to burn to the edges the first time you burn it. That way it won't tunnel down. It'll burn down evenly, and trim your wick down a little bit before you light it. There's a few more tips on there, but that's really fun. The little sticker inside says, Blossom by Blossom, Spring Begins, and it was stuck to the inside of the lid. I ripped it out, so I'm going to stick it back in. Okay, so for the candle, it comes in this beautiful linen, cotton, I'm not sure, burlap, really nice, heavy bag. Really nice bag. I mean, save the bags. You can use those for other things. Those are so pretty. All right, so I'm going to get this one out of here and see what it looks like. It's called Blossom Festival, and this one is a Cherry Blossom Fig Musk candle. It's got a screw top lid, so you can close it when you're not using it. It's a very light fragrance, but it smells amazing. The scent that it has, you can smell the cherry blossom. You can smell a little bit of the musk. It's not overwhelming musk. It's really nice. So I like this candle. Hi everybody, I just wanted to cut in real quick and tell you why you almost didn't see this video. After filming the video, I lit the candle in the main part of the house and couldn't tell any smell or anything from it. So I let it burn for over an hour. I could not tell that it was burning. So I decided to go ahead and not post the video because I didn't want to put anything out there that could hurt Vellabox in any way if it just wasn't the right fit for me for the candle. So I contacted them and let them know I wanted to cancel the subscription, which they took care of right away. I asked how the satisfaction guarantee part worked, and they were also quick to respond on that and sent a return label and let me know what to do on that part. In the process of this, I thought, well, maybe the part of the house I lit the candle in was just a bigger space than what the candle was made for. So I went ahead and I let them know that I may or may not use the return label, that I wanted to go ahead and give it another try first. So I took it and I had a work from home day. I lit the candle in my room, and after letting it burn for an hour or two, I did something in another part of the house, and I came back in my room and I could tell a freshness. It smelled really nice. It's not an overpowering smell at all, but it did freshen up the room, and I could definitely detect the sweet notes of the candle. I let them know I was going to go ahead and keep the candle, and Vellabox sent me some information that I'm going to show you here about how they make their candles, and also why maybe it was just not the strongest fragrance. So I appreciate how helpful Vellabox was. I wanted you guys to know that Vellabox is a win in my opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I wanted to explain why you almost never saw this video. I can't find the exact ounces for this candle. I'm gonna guess this is just the large size candle. This is the bigger one that you can get. I will find out the size of it, and I'll show you here. It does come with a free gift, which is a little brush, and it tells me what it is. This is a bamboo scrub brush. It has a $10 value. It's an eco-friendly solution for your kitchen cleaning needs, crafted from natural bamboo. Again, they sent us a little kitchen scrub brush, so for pots and pans and different things. It says Vellabox. Whoops, it says Vellabox on the back, and it has a hole if you want to put a rope or something through that to hang on to it. But that was our free gift with the candle. So that is our Vellabox candle subscription. Again, we got this beautiful candle. Smells amazing. Came in a really pretty bag. The box that you saw came in a padded mailer, so It came protected. It wasn't going to break. The next thing we're going to go through is Bath Bevy, and they do have the subscription box. I don't subscribe to it because I get the mystery boxes and I order on my own. I love the products, but I've gotten so much from the mystery boxes and different things that I've just not subscribed yet. So I do get a ton of their stuff. I just am not on the subscription. So the mystery sale is every now and then on the Bath Bevy website, she will post that they're about to have a mystery sale. It is a closed group. You have to ask for an invitation. You just go on there and ask to be invited, and she'll send you the little agreement thing, and then you're in for the next sale, and you'll get the notifications on your Facebook and different things. So we just got this box. I took out a bunch of these little foamy things. Let me show you what we got in here. So my sister does the tubless version. She does showers, so she got a bunch of shower steamers. And these are Love Spell and Pink Champagne. So I'm not going to smell everything just because I know they smell really good. I can just tell you they smell really good. But the shower steamers will last 2 or 3 showers depending on how long of a shower you take and how closely under the stream of water you put it. It should be put kind of on the periphery of the water stream so it gets splashes, and it will just pull into the shower water and steam and make your shower experience really fun. It's like these are meant to give you a home spa experience and really elevate your shower relaxing time. So this is nice. So shower steamers, really good ones. She got these. She also got these ones that are Uplift, Arise, and Awake Sun. And they came in different color cards, but they're the same shower steamer. So she got several shower steamers. I got a bubble bath bottle. One of these size bottles, these are 8 ounces. One of these bottles will last me 4 or 5 baths. I like a lot of bubbles, but I can always get at least 4 baths out of one of these. So that's a really good deal. And mine is Cozy Vanilla. I love a vanilla smell. It's nice and relaxing and soft. But this particular sale, we didn't buy as much as we usually do because we still had a bunch. We bought a bunch last time, but I want you to see what kinds of things Bath Bevy sells and what you can get from them, either in the subscription or just signing up for the mystery sale. So they also make handmade soap. This is a frosty one. So this is one I got around Christmas time. I haven't used it yet, but it's got a frosty in it. Bath Bevy also sells candles. They'll usually put candles in the subscription boxes, but you can buy it on the mystery sale as well. But the candles burn really nicely. They smell really great. Also great candles from Bath Bevy. They will also have shower gel. This is Earl Grey Apple, just one of the fragrances that they have for a shower gel. Again, if you don't want to have, you can either get stuff specifically baths or showers or things that you can use in either. So this is a nice one, shower gel. I love the bath bombs. They're good sized bath bombs. They come in different shapes. This is one that I just grabbed. It was just the regular size round one, but I've gotten heart shapes. I've had all kinds of fun shapes, cupcakes, all kinds of neat things. They're beautiful. They're fun. And they also have bubble bars, so you can break this up under the bath water and make a bubble bath for yourself on that. I've also had, and I've used this one a little bit actually. This is a Bath Fizzy. This is Bath Fizzy Dust, and you just pour a little bit into your bath, and it fizzes up, and it makes the water pink. It's so pretty. It's really fun. It's like a Barbie bath. But I wanted to show you what you can get from Bath Bevy, and Krista and I, our favorite bath products that we've tried so far have been from Bath Bevy. So I encourage you to check it out. There's some beautiful products on there. They're great for gift giving. They come really packaged nicely if you want to get a box for somebody else. The mystery boxes, instead of where this one has the little peanuts, the mystery boxes are that crinkly stuff, so they're really, really pretty inside. They're really great for gifting. I got a couple of those last year for my birthday and Christmas for my sister, so that was actually what got us hooked on Bath Bevy, the products that we got from those. We really, really do like Bath Bevy. I encourage you to try it out, see what you think of it. The fragrances are always really good. They smell fresh and natural. Love the products, love the fragrances. You guys should try it out too. I want to thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, hit the like. Let me know you like the video. Also, leave me some comments below. Tell me what you like about your subscription boxes that you get. If you have another bath product box that you've enjoyed and you want to tell me about it, let me know, and maybe we'll get something from that to try out on the channel as well. But I want to thank you so much for joining me today. You guys have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.